Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Kia. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.